Nightmare and Frenzy Bot. Am I excited for Islander? I don't even know whether I'll actually get to see it. I'm not sure if it's gonna be streamed or not. Oh, thank you. Yeah, the tree took a while to actually put together. Anyway, Benji up. Yeah, fortunately I don't really have to do that too often these days. Tends to wake himself up. But if I do, it's equally as challenging. Had to get him a new alarm clock. He was talking to you. Yeah, I don't like... I mean, like, Sunday night, they booked leave at 6:45 AM, so both of us stayed up all night to be able to, for him to get the flight. It's just... Then it took me all day to, then it took me another 24 hours to then get my sleep schedule back into practice. Which is why I'm a bit concerned about doing NA West today, because then literally I'm gonna be in the same situation all over again. Become the new Benji. It's been good actually, having said that. Savage and Mongol doing well. How's the games looking? Yeah. We are playing on Middle East, and Robster's going to play with us. I was looking for someone else to... Oh, now look what you've done. Oh. I've lost a med kit now. I don't understand what slots I need to be put things in.